Hello, it's Lawrence Little, better known as the Wet Shaving Barber, and in this episode we're going to talk about an item that is very integral towards the success of your shave with a razor, or better known as a wet shave, and that's the Alum Block. Now, after your shave is complete, how does your face feel? Honestly, is it burning with irritation, or is it buttery smooth? You find you may have a few nicks along the way. No matter how your face feels, you should use an alum block. You say, well, first of all, what is an alum block? Well, alum is a natural antiseptic, astringent, and a drying agent that wonderfully works to overcome razor burn, irritation, and even closing up some of those minor nicks and cuts that again occurred during your shave process on the shaving surface, whether it's your face or your head. Now, most men either use an alum block or an alum stick, whatever format you use. If you're new to shaving with a razor, that is, to wet shaving, I would strongly recommend that you use the stick version, because when alum gets wet, it is truly slippery when wet, and therefore very hard to handle. So the stick format makes better sense for those who are new to wet shaving. Well then, how do you use an alum block or alum period? Well, after you finish your shave, what you want to do is lightly wet your face, and then wet the alum block under cold water. So again, wet your face with cold water, and then also take the alum and run it under cold water as well. Gently rub the alum thoroughly on the shaving surface, again, whether it's on your face or on your head, and then let it sit for about 30 seconds or so. That's usually an optimal time. And then rinse off again with cold water. Now, one thing I want you to note here, as you rub the alum on your shaved area, again, whether it's your face or your head, you might notice some slight tingling, stinging, or even burning. This is the alum's way of giving you feedback, telling you that you had a rough shave in those areas. Now, this tells you that areas you need to really be careful of during your next shave. So please pay very, very close attention to the alum's warning and note those areas for your next shave. Be careful with. Now, once you're done, you can easily go ahead and apply your favorite toner, then your aftershave balm, and or aftershave splash. That's simply it. So again, this quick video, I hope, helps you towards the development of a proper process towards a BBS, that is a baby bottom, smooth shave, and no more razor cuts. This has been Lawrence Little, the Wet Shaving Barber, on behalf of the video series, Shaving the Way Your Father Should Have Taught You, signing out.